Hi, I'm Sakshi.
And I'm Mudhir.
We are the owners of Bundeli Kothi.
We are situated in Orchha, and we're on this small farm stay where we have 4 rooms only, and we try to give a personalized experience to each and every guest who visits us.
We met in college
Yes.
and we've known each other for now 17 years, I think.
Yes.
We dated for 10 years and then we got married like 4 years ago. And we have worked with the hospitality industry. I have worked with ITC and Mudit has worked with Taj Group of Hotels. After working for so long, it has always been my dream at least that I wanted to kind of settle outside of the main city. It was always something which was in my to-do list.
So we've always been fans of staying somewhere offbeat. We came across Orchha few years back when we got married, and Orchha we have always found that it is little understated when it comes to the total tourism map of Madhya Pradesh, or for that matter the total tourism map of India. Whenever we meet people from outside of the country who visit Orchha and they see the monuments here, they always tell us that it needs much more attention. So we thought, why not uplift the tourism of this place and highlight Orchha on the world tourism map. So that's why Orchha, and that's why this unique farms in midst of a village where people can experience Indian rural authentic culture along with exploring a tourist destination like Orchha. When you stay with us, you connect directly with nature, with our farm, with our local community whom we hire, and you can experience Orchha in its true sense.
Orchha is a very beautiful small town situated in central part of India. It's culturally very enriching place, and we live in a village area, and I've got beautiful people around me. They're very helpful because to get to know the ways of village has been an experience in itself. So it's a different experience living in a village life, and after coming here we have realized how strong community really influences your living and makes your living in a more enriching experience.
When it comes to experiences, we grow majorly whatever we eat, we grow on our farms, like grains, lentils, spices, and the seeds from which we extract our oils. So you may join us when we are harvesting a certain lentil or a vegetable during any time of the day, and we can cook together. Our kitchen is always open for you to try your hands in cooking Indian food. When it comes to experiences, you can experience local Bundelkhandi cuisine with us. We cook outside below this beautiful neem tree where I'm sitting. You can see behind we have a small Indian stove which we call chula very lovingly, and where we make our rotis, that is the breads in India, and we can serve you that type of local Bundelkhandi food on your plate, arriving from our own farm. When you arrive at Bundeli Kothi, we always feel that you should feel at home.